Hello everyone, today I will show you how to blur a video in Clipchamp, and here's how it's done. 1. Sign in and start a new project. Go to Clipchamp. Log in or create an account if you haven't already. Click on create a video or start a new project. 2. Upload your video. Click on add media, the plus icon. Select your video file from your computer and upload it to Clipchamp. 3. Drag the video to the timeline. Once the video is uploaded, drag it to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. 4. Apply the blur effect. Click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. In the right panel, look for the Filters tab. Scroll down or search for the blur option. Click on it. You will find several levels of blur. You can adjust the intensity of the blur by selecting your preferred option or tweaking the effect. 5. Fine-tune and adjust optional. You can also use other filters or tools to adjust the blur effect further, depending on what you are looking for. Example, motion blur, background blur. If you want to blur a specific part of the video, you may need to use masking. But Clipchamp doesn't have advanced masking features like some other video editors. For more precise control, you might need a more specialized tool. 6. Export your video. And that's everything you need to know about how to blur video in Clipchamp. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.